Is there something in your life that seems to be weighing you down? Is there something that you've been thinking about over and over and over again? Jesus understands how you feel. He experienced those same feelings. Now, can you imagine the physical pain that Jesus must have felt when they drove the nails into his hands and his feet? And as he hung on the cross suffering, he had one simple request, a drink of water. But they gave him wine that was mixed with gall. It was so bitter, he couldn't even drink it. Think about this for a moment. Was there a time in your life when you made a simple request to someone and they said or they did something to you that made you bitter? And are you still bitter about it? Do you want to be bitter or better? It's your choice. And while on the cross, can you begin to imagine the depth of pain that Jesus must have felt at that time? And it wasn't only the physical pain, but it was also the mental pain and the emotional pain, and yes, even the spiritual pain. He may have felt at that moment that he just couldn't take it anymore. His pain was so great that it caused him to cry out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" And many times when we have physical pain, when we have mental and emotional pain, or even spiritual pain, we too may feel that God has forsaken us, that we just can't take anymore. Yet, even with all the pain that Jesus felt, even through all the suffering that he was experiencing, he was still willing to forgive. It was only moments later Jesus said, "Forgive them, Father, for they know not what they do." And isn't that true, that people who really hurt us the most, they really don't know what they've done? And it was only after Jesus had forgiven them did he say, "Father, into your hands I commend my spirit." He was free now, nothing to hold him back. He was at peace now. He had turned it all over to God, the Father. Forgiveness is not a feeling. It's a choice. It's our choice. It's an act of the will. The good feelings come later. They're like byproducts of the act of the will. Forgiveness gave meaning to the resurrection. For it is only through forgiveness can there be a resurrection, a new perception, a new purpose, a new meaning, a new life. As we begin now, I'd like for you to just close your eyes, and if they're already closed, then just leave them closed.